Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your life insurance with Prudential. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your life insurance with Prudential, first, visit the Prudential website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you're a new user, click on Register to create an account. Fill in the required personal information to set up your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the My Policies section. Here, you can view the details of your life insurance policy. To update your beneficiaries, click on the Beneficiaries tab. Follow the prompts to add or change beneficiary information. For policy changes, select the Policy Management option. You can review your coverage amounts and make adjustments as needed. If you need to make a payment, find the Payments section. Choose your payment method and follow the instructions to complete the transaction. For claims, select the Claims tab to start the process. Download necessary forms and gather the required documentation. Finally, if you have questions, access the Help section for resources and contact options. This will ensure you effectively manage your life insurance with Prudential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.